Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So I have 2 more entries today into the mini pocket letter swap and raffle. Entries are dying down, so and it is that time to start. I already started like trying to prepare everything for sending. So this first one I'm going to show you today. This is from Gloria Smith, and I don't know that Gloria has any channels. I think she just likes to watch and create and that. Now she did say that she sent one for me, but mine is slightly different. The red flower and teapot is yours, and I don't know, like this one seems to have a red flower in it, so I'm gonna open this one up because they all do kind of seem the same, and I don't want to open them all. Okay, so here is a red flower. Oh, and there's a teapot. Okay, and look at how pretty. So look at the different elements that she used. First of all, I love this ribbon, and that's just fed through one of the holes there and tied around the whole pocket letter. Look at how pretty this is. Here is the red flower, and that is stitched. Oh, so I could actually pull this off if I wanted to and use that as an embellishment. So that's really nice with some chamomile tea. Thank you, Gloria. Let's put this back in here. I love the felt flower. And then on this side we have the teapot with the purple and yellow, the butterfly, and here's another piece. It's a stitched crepe paper. And then some flowers and another butterfly. And then on the back, let's see what we have. Oh, look at how cute. I'm not gonna pull them out because it looks like a bunch of little pieces, but I think we can make a bunny. Guys, look, we have bunny pieces to make a little rabbit. And then in here we have, oh wait, she has her stuff. So yeah, she just has her email address down here if you want to contact her for any kind of swapping and that. Gloria will be more than happy to receive an email from you. And there's some really pretty butterfly die cuts. All right, so these are from Gloria. Thank you, Gloria, so much for entering. Okay, and this is the last entry that I actually have on me right now. So I'm going to try to get all these videos uploaded. So when you see this video get uploaded, that means that everything I have has been recorded. I keep forgetting to take pictures though. Okay, so this is from Emily. She is JerseyCGirl E. I'll post her channels down below. She is on YouTube and Instagram. So she created 2 for the challenge. Look at this really pretty bow here. I like that paper. It feels like it's like a crinkle paper. I wonder if that's like a ribbon. I love that. All right, we're gonna put that over there. And then we have 2, what do we have here? So, hi Joanne, sending 2 pocket letters. Thank you, Emily. And these are, let's see what these are, guys. Are these little envelopes? I think they might be. Oh, they are. Look. Can you guys see me? And that's a little Easter. So that folds there. That folds there. That can fold up here. And then you have your really pretty little top there. Oh, these are so cute. I love them. Thank you, Emily. And they're in different, so we have them in the bunny. We have them in some vellum. And then we have them in some gold glitter paper. There's 1, 2, I might, okay. So let's go there. All right, so let's take a look. We have 2 slightly different styles. Not necessarily styles, but coloring. So this one's really cute with the pastels, and this is like a bakery theme. I love it. And then here we just have like a earthy, homey theme here. So pretty. I love it. This one has a little tassel. Oh, look at the tag with the bead attached to it. That is really pretty. And then I love this. Is this polka doodles? I think this might be is that what I'm thinking? Polka doodles? No, not polka doodles. What's the Doodlebug. Okay. So if we flip them over, there are some goodies in the back. So each one is a little bit different. They both have some yellow bling. This one has just some sentiments and some cookies. It looks like these cookies were cut out and colored in. So it looks like you're actually getting some of the die cuts that are on the decorative pocket letters. And then here you have a bunch of bow die cuts with the yellow bling and the Irish breakfast tea. Really pretty. So here's it's JerseyCGirl.e on Instagram. So thank you guys for entering, and maybe we'll see you in the next video. And if not, I will definitely keep everybody up to date on the sending out process and the raffle draw. All right, have a great day. Thank you guys for watching.